Today I want to show you how to make an 8-hole bolt flange by laying it out on a piece of paper. Now typically I would lay this out on a sheet of metal with my pair of dividers. But sometimes these scribe lines are hard to see on the camera. So my next best option would be my drafting board and a few sheets of paper. And don't worry, it's done the exact same way that I would do it in the shop. So you'll have to forgive me, I don't have any drafting paper. But this will work just fine. It'll be just like CAD, cardboard aided design. So I'm just going to copy the back side of this flange with the same bolt pattern. And if you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you a cool little shortcut. So I'm going to make all the measurements exact to this, but these measurements will be irrelevant because what I'm doing applies for every 8-hole bolt flange, except for the width of the flange, of course. So we're just going to start out by drawing a straight line. And I'm going to draw things in a little bit heavier here. That way the camera picks everything up. So I'm starting out by setting my compass to half the diameter of the inside of the flange. That's half the opening. Start by pinning the compass on the line. Let's move this up here. Get that out of the way a little bit. Should have started up here. Now I'm going to set my compass to the outside radius. Draw that circle in. Hopefully you guys can see that. Now we're going to set our compass to our bolt radius. Need a better ruler here. Okay, now that should be the ring of our bolt holes. Looks like we got it. Now I'm going to open my compass just a little bit larger than the radius of our bolt holes. And I'm going to come down here and put the point in that intersection. And I'm going to come up here and make an arc. And come down here and make an arc. And I'm going to jump to the other side. Do the same thing. Make an arc, make an arc. Take my straight edge, line up these 2 points. Make a line on our bolt. Make a line on our bolt hole. Now you have 4 bolt holes marked out. You have 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Now we need the centers of those. You can leave your compass the way it sits. All you need to do is go at least half the distance between this bolt and this bolt, but I'm going to shrink it up a little bit. The longer it is, the further the arc is away. So I'm going to start down here. Make an arc. Come on the other side. Make an arc. Jump over here to this point. Make an arc. Make an arc. Make an arc. And you guessed it, connect those points. Mark there, mark there, mark there, mark there. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we can test this and see if that worked. Oh man, that's way off. So it's not the most exciting thing in the world, but it's pretty easy, and now you know how it's done. So remember that shortcut? Well, here's how you skip the line a little bit. Chord equals diameter times sine 180 divided by n. So your chord is the distance between two bolts. Diameter is referring to the bolt centers that are furthest apart. 180 is half your circle. N is the number of bolts. So it goes like this. Type in 180, divide that by the number of bolts. We have 8, we get 22.5. That's 22.5 degrees per bolt. Now we're going to hit the sign button. And then we're going to hit the times button. And we're going to times that by our diameter. I have 9.5. So we type in 9.5. And we get 3.63, roughly 3 5/8. So now we can set our compass to 3 5/8. So now I've set my compass to 3 5/8, and we should just be able to pick a point swing and make an arc. And we should land right on our next bolt. Now we should be able to come over here and double check it. Zoom out a little bit. Go here. And swing. Come up here. And swing. This works sweet if you can set your compass exactly to that number. If you're off just a little bit, you might just be off a fraction up here, but by the time you get 2, 3, 4 bolt holes around, you're way off. This is the surefire way to do it. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next.